It's family day in Canada. Early in the morning, feeling tired, but I gotta go get this opportunity. And if my ride doesn't come in the next 5 minutes, then I'm taking matters into my own hand. What's up, folks? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're having a fantabulous day, evening, night, morning, regardless of the time zone you are in. What's up? I just got home literally after 12 hours of non-stop working. I was shooting and editing videos live on the spot. It was pretty stressful. So if this video didn't contain that much entertainment or a message, I apologize in advance. I was busy working. I hope you can understand. However, I am focused on consistency and uploading daily. So I'll leave you with this point, with this little message. Or actually the only one. And this is what I took from my day. Surround yourself with individuals that are a lot more seasoned in terms of the skill that you're trying to learn. Doing so, it's only a matter of time before you get better surrounded by these type of individuals that lift you and bring you up and bring the best out of you out. That being said, I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers by the end of this month, February 2021. Please help me in doing so. It would mean the world to me. I appreciate you. Thank you. Peace and love. Until tomorrow, take care.